Oh hey guys, do you only hear your microphone in one ear? If so, good news, I've got a solution for you guys. So, first thing we're going to do is, assuming you're using Windows 10, or I believe this should work in Windows 11, is go to the bottom of the screen, bottom right, and see if you can find the speaker icon. And if you can't see it here, there's a little up arrow. It might be in the menu here. If it's not there, it's not the end of the world. It's fine. Now what we're going to do is right click on the speaker icon, assuming it's there, and we're going to go to sounds, okay? And this will bring up this menu. Now let's assume you don't see the icon. What you need to do is go to your start menu or your search bar, and you are going to type in change system sounds, okay? And again, this will bring up the same window, which is very useful. Now, at the top of the screen here, in this menu, we're going to go recording. Then we're going to go to our microphone. You can see this is our active microphone because you can see the little indicator going up and down. And we're going to right click on the microphone, click properties. And the second tab along is useful because you can hear what the microphone is outputting through your speakers or headphones. Just click listen to this device. Anyway, to fix the issue, we're going to go advanced, which is the end one here. Select the drop down menu, and by default it will be on 2-channel, 24-bit, etc. And that's the issue. Basically, when you have it selected to 2-channel, it expects to have a left and a right input, basically, for your microphone. But many microphones only have 1 channel of input, which is why we choose 1 channel. Click apply and OK, and that should solve your issue. Now, let's assume that you couldn't select the menu, okay? What you basically need to do is you need to go and look for the software for your device which you're using. So in my case, I'm using a Scarlett Solo 2nd generation Focusrite device, which is quite a good device. There's more recent ones available. And basically download and install the software, okay? And once that's all installed, you can have another go at switching the microphone over. And after everything's installed, and your computer's being restarted, this should definitely solve your problem. So I hope you found that video useful. If you did, like and subscribe if you want to. Either way, have a great day guys, and thank you very much.